Have you ever wished you could play worship guitar? Well, you might think it's really difficult and takes a long time, but I'm here to tell you that that is not true. My name is Jared Messer, and I'm a former Nashville professional musician. And I've created a system that's helped tens of thousands of people all over the world learn to play very, very quickly. We're not talking weeks, months, or years, but just a matter of days. In fact, with this system, you can start making professional sounding worship music on the guitar in just 10 days. Now listen, I know that sounds completely crazy, but this is unlike any system you've ever seen before. There's a free video on our website that explains exactly how it works. You don't have to sign up for anything, and there's no pop-ups asking for your email. Click the button below, come and check out the video. We're a Christian company, I'm a believer, and our mission at the Worship Music Academy is to equip the saints for ministry. And we just crossed over a huge milestone. We now have more than 25,000 students all over the world who have come to our website and are learning to play worship music to honor the Lord. So, if you want to learn to play quickly in a Christian environment from a Christian teacher, this might be exactly what you're looking for. Click the button below, come and check out the free video. I hope to meet you soon. God bless you.